these are my two options here. Neither one of them I have a bag for. The Kohler here, it runs, the carburetor leaks a little bit, and it's pretty rough shape. But the transmission works and okay, and the handlebars are in good shape. Now on this, and this is a 22-inch. On this yard machine, well, this was a MTD Troybilt that I got in on trade. It was really messed up. I got it to where it runs now. I found this beauty cover from my yard machines I had. I changed the oil. I did quick and dirty on the carburetor to clean it. I tuned the idle. What else do I do to it? Oh, I fixed up the handlebars and I put a new pull handle on it. Yeah, it starts on first pull. What do you think about taking this engine and sticking it on the Toro deck? Because the deck is clearly in better shape. So, of course, some of the things that you got to watch out for is, I know I will not be able to use the Toro blade on this one. I do have a universal 22-inch that will go on this one. This is a 22-inch deck. This is a 21-inch deck. So, what do you think? What I decided to do is I'm going to go ahead and do an engine swap. Take this engine, stick it on that deck, and I'll just scrap the engine. Keep whatever parts that off of it I could use for something else. I really think it has some internal issues. Take an engine off from one to another isn't that bad. I just measured the shafts. They're both 3-inch. I mean, that's how the depth is off of the engine. So I should be able to do it. First thing I did here is I undid the brake cable, and hopefully it'll be just a drop-in replacement. Next thing is I need to tip this over, and there should be three bolts. But first I need to undo the pull cord. Well, I got the engine on this Toro deck. I had a Kohler engine on it. Kohler engine's sitting over there. All the cables matched up. Belt's fine. The only issue is that the belt cover from the Toro is different than this one. Because the drive shaft, the spindle is different for the belt. So I'm gonna have to modify this one to fit into this. Fortunately, I didn't get a lot of the engine swap on video. There's too many curse words, 4-letter words to get me some strikes on YouTube. But I got this engine over here. Yeah, got the engine running, and then when I brought it over here, the belt guide, from the Toro didn't fit this engine for the Troybilt, so I had to take the Troybilt's plastic guard and kind of cut off part of the plastic to get it to fit here. It's fine now. I also had the rear flap I took from the Troybilt as well, because this part here was all torn up. Oh, this one runs now. I kept this Toro deck around for a reason. Next time, tubes. See you later.